welcome to ZRLs. I just finished this throw and I wanted to show you how to make these tassels. I have some quick tips to show you how to finish them off and tie them to a scarf or a quilt to where you don't have any exposed leftover ends. It's a really nice clean finish. So let's do this. You're going to find a piece of cardboard or anything the length of the tassel that you want. Some yarn. For this one I'm just going to go around about 20 times. And I also cut 2 more small cuts about 8 to 10 inches. So I'm just going to slide this under and tie off the top. Go ahead and knot that twice. That's going to be the top of your tassel. Cut the bottom off. You're going to take the second strand. I have a loop. I'm going to lay it across the top here. And then I'm going to start winding about 1/2 inch down. Right here. I'm going to wind right over top. See, there's that little loop right there. Pulling tight. I'm going to go around at least about 4 or 5 times. Once it's about as wide, you can see that little neck. Once that's as wide as you want it, you're going to take that yarn and put it through the loop and just hold on to it with your fingers. Here's the other end, and I'm just going to pull it, and that's going to pull that end up inside this neck. Just like that. I can cut that last piece off. The end is up inside that. You can see how that looks. Now you have this leftover end that you just pulled tight. Get my little yarn needle. This turns out, looks really nice, has a really nice finished edge. Go ahead and thread that through, and I'm going to go over maybe 1 thread on the neck, and then just thread it down inside the tassel and pull that through. So that one will be hidden as well. Now that's hidden, and you can just let that hang inside. You don't have to worry about what length it is. So there's your tassel. At this point you can go to the bottom, smooth it out, and decide where you want to cut off. Make a nice edge. Just a note too, if your yarn is a little squirrely and kind of all rolled up because it's been in a ball, you can just get the yarn wet, lay it flat and let it dry, and it'll have that nice look. Now this is the other tip about how to attach it now to an actual afghan or a project that you're working on. So let me show you how to do that. Go ahead and thread it through, and you're going to tie it off. I knotted mine twice. You have these ends now. You're going to do the same thing, thread your yarn needle, and all you're going to do now is you're going to hide those. So find the center, kind of wiggle it as you go. It'll help pull it down through. And again, you can just leave those ends loose inside there. And that way you have just a tiny little attachment to your afghan, and it looks great on both sides. Finished, professional looking edge with a nice little neck on there. So I hope you enjoyed this edition of Easier Else. Go ahead and try some of these and have some fun with it.